I'll tell you when, okay? When it reaches full speed. That's perfect. Now the cool thing about this fan, when I was younger, I used to play with these two a lot when I was younger.
Yeah.
I had pictures of them.
Okay.
That's the funny thing. And these two light switches, when were not, they were opposite. This was on these light shades were on that one, those light shades were on this one.
Oh, okay.
Which is surprising because I wonder what happened.
I don't know.
It's
Got cleaned, taken down, put up the opposite.
Yeah. That's the cool thing about these fans. Oh, my low battery. Come on. Don't turn on low battery yet. You want me to help you when I finish?
Huh?
You want me to help you find stuff when I finish?
Oh, I actually gotta get going. I was just coming to drop some stuff off real quick.
You need help after this?
Oh, no, thank you.
Okay. Okay.